Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is MBT Brickmania. Today I'll be building this. Type 999 is a Chinese main battle tank. It contains 892 pieces and one minifig, and it was designed by John Canapa. And if you have the original set, it would have cost you $425 back then. And it was released back in 2019. So this is another main battle tank since I'm doing, and unfortunately Chinese is one of them. But then I still think it's a cool tank. And then the tank could contain up to 3 crew members. And it comes with a 125mm GPT-90 small bore gun with a Type 85 and Type 59 coaxial machine gun. And it contains 1500 horsepower. And its max speed is up to 50 miles per hour, which is 80 kilometers. And then its maximum range it can go up to 307 miles per hour, which is 600 kilometers. So this is interesting. So I decided to do another Asian tank, like the Black Panther is from Korea, but then now I decided to do a Chinese tank. So and of course this tank is still used by China today, but then there are other tanks that Chinese use also that I found on the internet. So if you're interested, look for it. And of course, can this be a match to an Abrams? I still say Abrams could be better, but then this has some digital systems that it also contains well. So I will sort, and here's a sticker pack. So sticker pack right here. It would have cost you only like maybe, I think it was worth $9 per then, but because of the size of the sticker pack, worth $12 because of inflation. So I will sort the pieces and do the build. Chinese Type 99 main battle tank. Here's the side. Here's the front. Here's the other side. And here's the back. So the turret does rotate 360 degrees. Okay. The gun does elevates and depresses, but not too much. And then it comes with the Dushku machine gun, which is made by Russia. You can fit two minifigs, one right here, one right here, and possibly if you take this apart, and you could probably put the another minifig here. So maybe up to 3 minifigs, because it only carries crew 3, and it does roll most surprisingly. And then of course got one antenna right there, some sensors right there, and like that. And of course here's the minifig right here. Yeah, because this is not the original figure that comes with the set. You have to buy this bigger figure if you can find one nowadays. It's Chinese tanker version 2. The original had a helmet on it with this helmet and just show his eyes. And of course this one wears sunglasses and wears an like an old Soviet tanker helmet, looks like. Okay. And of course this little, since this was made by John Campbell, he puts little like this rice bag right here. And also when you buy the parts for this tank, you have a 1x2 white towel, which you put a picture of a cat right here as a good luck charm for the to right here, put on the sticker right there. And then of course if you have the actual set, the wheels will be printed on the side, because there are stickers. So when you put it on, don't put it wait till the end to put the stickers on. It might be difficult. So I recommend putting the stickers on while you're building this, so it'll be easier the rest of the parts. And of course it's a great tank. Has smoke detectors on the side like usual, because when I was building this, there's some little gap right here, which is not too noticeable, but you know, some people don't like that, so like I do. And of course this tank uses a combination of dark green, dark tan, olive green, and black, which I guess how the digital pattern goes in with the Chinese tanks or any of the vehicles. And this, because this is the tank number. So and then I copy, and so I brought the one other phase tank that people know about, the M1A2 Abrams. Compared to it, Abrams a little bigger on the front. And of course, you got two corners right there, because it's rotate like this and like this. Because this comes with a 125mm cannon, while this one comes 120 like most Western tanks, but probably just still a match for each other if they ever fight on actual battle. So that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment about which will I say next. And also, I was thinking of making a Type 10 Japanese tank, which is not available from Brickmania, but through rebuildcore.com. So leave a comment if you want to build that tank as well. So that will finish my Asian tanks. Okay. So that's it, and have a mega fantastic day, and see you on the next video, and bye bye.